Voila. I will never shred meat with this because I don't trust my knuckles with it. I had a lot of questions on whether or not this would shred chicken. Let's give it a go. Yesterday I shredded it, today we're gonna grate it. This rotary cheese grater comes with a set of 10 blades, so 2 sets of 5, and it's great because they're so versatile and really easy to assemble. Because we're right in the middle of Black Friday and Cyber Monday, this is on super sale. I just pulled this chicken out of the fridge, so let's see how this does. Go. Safe fingers. I use this. People ask me, does this touch the bottom? No, it doesn't touch the blade. It doesn't even come close to it because of this lip. Look how easily this is cutting this chicken. And look, safe knuckles. If you wanted to get this, now's the time to do it. It's the lowest price it's gonna be the entire year because of Black Friday and Cyber Monday. It is definitely a deal. And if you're doing any cooking for Thanksgiving, this is gonna come in so handy. You can grab it right here.